K3. Again. Good morning, K3. Okay, good morning. Where is Bot? Bot is not here. Okay, please. Okay, you're welcome, Rutana. Okay, please sit down. K3, do not move around. Okay, do not move around. Okay, you're welcome, Rutana. So today it's our third day. So Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Is it Thursday? It's Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Is it Friday? Oh no. It's Saturday. Is it Saturday? Wednesday. Very good. So today is Wednesday, K3. Okay, today is Wednesday. How about Eliza? What day today is, Eliza? It's yes, Satarat. More of Bot is here. It's just that he turned off his camera, Bot. Okay, Eliza, today is Wednesday and yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, K3, what are the words that we have learned yesterday? Do you remember what are the words? Wednesday. And the first one is Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? The word that we have learned yesterday? Do you remember? The first one is Friday. Friday. What is the word that we learned yesterday? What are you doing when you do like this one? Yes. Smile. Okay, very good. So yesterday we learned three things or three words, K3, with one sound. And that sound is sma, okay? And those three words are smile, smoke, and smell. Very good. Now, K3, can you answer this one on the board? Okay, here. Okay, can you connect the correct word to the correct picture? Can you connect? The first one. Where is the word in the correct picture? Can you see? The first one. What is this one? Okay, can you match K3? Okay, very good, Rutana. The second one. The second one is, okay, very good, Morakot. And Sarah, very good. So, okay, we had three words yesterday. The first one is, how do you read this one? Is it smile? Mungkul, please. Okay. Again, how do you read this one, K3? The first one here. This one. What is this?
Fire.
It's not fire. It is
Monday.
Is it Monday?
Smoke.
Smoke. Very good, Morakot. The first one here is the smoke. How about the second one? Mungkul? What is the second one? Smile. And how about the third one? It is smell. Very good. And what part of your body do you use when you smell? It's your It's your what, Eliza? When you smell, you use your what? Nose. Okay, K3. Right now, we will spell the word smile. Can you spell the word smile?
S-M-I-L-E.
Very good, Ratana. Mungkul. Can you spell the word smoke?
No.
Smoke. Smoke.
No. S-L.
Where is the letter SL? SM. M.
M-E-double-L.
Is that a smoke? That is a smell. This is a smoke. Can you spell smoke, Mukul?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
How about Eliza? Can you spell smoke, Eliza? Eliza? Okay, Sarah. Sarah dear, can you spell smoke? S-M-I-L-E is smile. I said, can you spell smoke? Smoke. S-M. Here, this is a smoke. Okay? Let us spell all together K3. It is S-M. Eliza, Sarah dear, Sitiret, Pot, Mungkul, and Morakat, please. And Ratana, let's spell it all together, okay? S-M. O-K-E. Okay, this is how we spell smoke. How about Sitiret? Sitiret, spell smell. Smell. Where is Sitiret? Can you spell, oh yeah. Yes?
M-A-double-L.
Very good, Sitiret. S-M-E-double-L. Okay, now get your boards. Get your boards, K3. Okay. Write on your board the word smile. Smile. Yeah, Sitiret. I know, Sitiret. Okay. Smile, K3. Ratana, that is not a smile. Write the word smile. 1, 2. What is that? I said write the word smile. Do not draw. 1. Okay, I will count until 5 and then you need to be finished when you hear number 5. 1, 2. How do you spell smile? 3, 4, and 5. I see your smile. Yes, Laura, could you draw a smile? But teacher is asking for you to spell the word. Oh, yes, Ratana. Very good. We have smile. Okay? This is how we spell it. Okay? Wow, Spider-Man is doing great. How about Morakot, Mungkul, Sitira, Bot, and Sarah dear, Eliza? This is a, yes. I know, Sitirat, that you don't have a board, and it's okay. Okay, but next time, please bring your board with you. Okay? Smile. Next, K3. Smell. Smell. When we use our nose to smell something. Smell. How do we spell it? Smell. How do we spell it? Okay. What is the missing letters? We need to add 3 more letters here. Smell, okay? We have the smell. That is only SM, Ratana. How do we spell smell? Double L. Again. Smell.
I know. S-M-A-double-L.
Yes, Setiret, that is great. Naruto is doing a great job. Right? Can I see Ratana? Smell. S-M-E double L.
Good.
Ratana, can I see your S? M-E double L. Yes, Mora Amungkul. Good job, Mungkul. How about Ratana? Okay. Very good, Spider-Man. And how about Maracot? Oh, see, Spider-Man is jumping. Oh, Black Panther. I can't see the answer of Black Panther. And Lisa. And Sarah, dear. Okay, your smell.
Spider-Man go now.
What? Are those spider girl?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Sarah and Bot? Where is Bot? Okay. Next, 1K3. Spell the word or write the word smoke. Smoke. Can you write the word smoke on your boards? Smoke. Okay, 3. Again, it still begins with SM. Okay, SM. SM. O. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, Sitiret.
What color?
Sitiret, what is it? I can't hear you. Okay, everybody. Morakot is writing. Okay, your mic, I think, Satiret, is not that loud. Okay, Morakot is drawing and writing something. Oh, Bot. Bot, I don't know what happened to Bot. Bot, what are you doing, Bot? Okay, so we have the smoke. Okay, S-M-O-K-E. Okay, Morakot, very good. Spider Girl is very good, and Spider-Man as well. How about Eliza? Eliza and Bot, you're always our audience. You do.
Here, I can spell.
Okay, can you spell?
M-O-K-A.
Very good, Naruto. Wow, and Sarah, very good as well.
Teacher, I can spell.
Oh, can you spell it?
M-O-K-E.
Okay, that's great, Morakot. Hey, how about Bot? Bot, can you spell the word smoke? Eliza and Bot, you two are always our audience. You are not even participating or getting your boards. You just watch. Please get your boards and your whiteboard markers, because I know you have.
S-M-O-K-A.
Okay, how do you read this one?
Teacher, I'm very good. And I
Yes.
good. And Black Panther good. Like good.
What is it, Setiret? Oh, please be quiet.
Spider girl. S-M-O-K-A.
Okay, S-M-O.
I can do fast.
Can you read this one,
I can
Satirat?
do faster, teacher.
Okay, can you do it faster, please?
S-M-O-K-A.
Very good. S-M-O-K-E. Very good. This is? How do you read this?
S-N-O-K-E.
I said read. It's
Smoke.
very good, Naruto. This is smoke. Spider-Man, can you tell teacher what word is this one? I said, can you read or tell? Do not spell, okay? Smoke.
Oh.
Okay, this is smoke. How about this one?
Okay, smoke.
Okay, how about this one? How do you read this? How do you read this?
Smell.
Smell. Very good. This is smell.
Here, teacher. S-M-E-K. S-M-E-K. I mean S-A-double-L.
Very good. The S-M-E double L is a smell. And the next one, the last word that we have here is the
S-M-E.
How do you read this one? How do you read this? What is
Mongol?
Mungkul is not here. I don't know. She is laying on the bed. Okay, this is
Sarah, teacher.
Sarah. Sarah is here. Okay, what is this? How do you read this word? It's smile. Very good. When you are happy, you are smiling. Very good, Satirat. Okay, Ratana. What word is this one? Smile. But what word is this one?
Teacher, what is that?
Ratana, I can see you. But smile. Eliza. Eliza? Okay. Mungkul. How about Mungkul? What word is this one? Eliza, smile. Okay, this is smile. Okay. SL. Is it SL? Is it ST? M. Okay. Okay, Sarah dear, what word is this one? It is. What word is this? Yes. Okay, it is smile. Yes, smile. So let us now move on to your SN words. Okay, we are done with your SM. So let us now proceed to your SN. Okay, current slide. Okay. Okay, this one, K3. Can you see K3? We will move on to your SN, okay? So these are the words that begins with SN. The first one is K3, Eliza. What are you doing, Eliza? Can you please sit down, Eliza? Okay, the first one is the snake. Okay, this is the first SN word. Everybody, Ratana, Eliza, Sarah, Bot, Mungkul, Morakot, Seteret. Repeat after teacher. Snake. Again, snake. Okay, Ratana, repeat after teacher. Snake. Okay, Eliza, repeat after teacher. Snake. Eliza, can you repeat after teacher? Snake. Okay, next Sarah. Snake. Okay, Bot. Snake. Bot. Bot. Okay, Morakot. Okay, Morakot. Snake. Mungkol, what is this word? Snake. And Seteret, this is a snake. Okay, K3. So we have the snake. The second one, what word is this one? What word is this? It's a candy. You eat this one during break time. It's snack. Okay, K3, this is a snack. Okay, Ratana, Eliza, Bot. Okay, wait, Red. Yeah, that is the spelling of snake. Okay, first. Okay, everybody, Ratana and Eliza. Repeat after teacher, snack. Okay, Sarah and Bot, snack. Okay, Mungkul and Morakot, snack. Okay, and Seteret, this is a snack. Okay, this is a snack. And the third one is when you are sleeping and there is a sound. What do you call it? It is snore. Okay? Yes, snore. When you sleep and then you produce a sound while you are sleeping, this is...
My daddy told all of you.
Your daddy what?
My daddy told all of you.
Your daddy saw all of us?
What is room?
Okay. Okay, first.
My daddy slept and my daddy
I can't hear you clearly, Morakot. But okay, we will move on K3 on the spelling of each word, okay? The first one is the snake, okay? K3, snake, snack, and snore. These are the three words that begins with SN or the snap sound. Okay, snap sound. K3. Okay, so we will have first here is this one. Okay, the first word that we are about to learn how to spell it is the word snake. Okay, K3, snake begins with letter S and letter N. Okay, snake. So the next letters are A, K, E. So this is a snake. K3 again. Ratana, spell the word snake. E. Okay. Okay, Ratana, this is the first one is a snake. How about Sarah, dear? Can you spell the word snake? SN. Here. Okay, can you spell the word snake, Sarah? So we have SN. Okay, SN.
In notebook.
A.
I
Okay.
write in notebook.
Okay, very good. Next, we have Setiret. Just wait, please. Okay, next, Mungkul. Mungkul, spell the word snake. Spell the word snake, Mungkul. Where is Mungkul? Okay, that is a snake. The second one, what is that? It's a snack. Okay, it is a snack. Okay, SN. A. T. K. Okay, snack. Okay, you eat your snacks every break time. Okay?
Thank you, Papa, teacher.
Not yet, Mungkul. Next one, we have the snore. Okay, you are snoring when you sleep. Okay, snore. Can you see this one? So we spell snore as SN. Mungkul, you are so noisy. Okay, we spell snore as SN. So R-E. Remember, when you are snoring, it means you are sleeping. Okay, you are sleeping. And when you are eating your snack, it means you have like biscuits, cookies, sandwiches, bread. Okay. Okay, and there is a snake.
And I left you too.
Okay. Okay, so snore, K3, repeat after teacher K3. We have the snake, snack, and snore.
Sleep. No.
Okay, very good. So those are the three words that begins with SN. So now get your notebook K3 and write these two words. We have the snack and snore. Okay.
Say cái đá thiên. Cô say cái đá thiên.
Okay, get your notebook K3. Please practice writing your alphabet.
Bố ba câu.
Snack and snore. Okay, write on your notebook the snore and snack. Okay. Snack and snore. Okay. Mic no. Okay. Snack and snore. Okay, K3. So do you have any questions, K3? Again, you just need to write the snack and snore in your notebooks. Okay, and then tomorrow we will have a matching activity of the word snake, snake, snore, and snack. Okay, that's all for today, K3. Goodbye, class. Okay, see you later, K3. Yeah, I know you're